In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open HEIC files on Windows 11. If you've ever found yourself stuck, unable to open an image file you've received, you might have encountered an HEIC file. These files are common on Apple devices, but can be a bit of a challenge on Windows computers. Luckily, there's a straightforward solution to this problem, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. To start, we'll need to install the HEIC image extensions from the Microsoft Store. This extension is provided by Microsoft and is essential for adding HEIC support to your Windows 11 system. Don't worry, the process is simple and won't take much time. Let's go through it together. First, we'll need to open the Microsoft Store. You can easily find it on your taskbar, or you can search for it using the Start menu if it's not immediately visible. Just type Microsoft Store in the search field, and it should pop up as the top result. Once you've opened the Microsoft Store, the next step is to search for the specific extension we need. In the search bar located at the top of the Microsoft Store window, type in HEIC image extensions. You'll see a list of results populate under the search bar shortly. Find the correct extension by looking at the options you're given. It should be called HEIC image extensions, and you'll see it provided by the Microsoft Corporation. Once you've found it, click on it to access the installation screen. Now let's install the extension. On the HEIC image extensions page within the Microsoft Store, there will be a button to install or get the extension, depending on whether you've downloaded it before. Click on that button, and the download will begin immediately. It should take only a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the installation completes, you're all set. Now try opening the HEIC file again. Locate your HEIC file either in your email, the Downloads folder, or wherever you initially attempted to open it. With the extension installed, Windows 11 should now recognize the file format and allow you to view your image seamlessly in the Photos app or another image viewer of your choice. By following these steps, you can now access HEIC files with ease on your Windows 11 device. If you encounter further issues, make sure your Windows system is up to date, as this is sometimes necessary to ensure compatibility with new extensions. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving any issues you may have had opening those HEIC files. Feel free to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day exploring all your images on Windows 11.